So hey folks, I'm back out on it, injury free. So all my plans got ruined, sadly, real sadly. So my wife and my boy Jack, they were away to Tenerife for a week back in May there, or back at the start of May, and I was left at home to watch the dog and work. So I thought, that's good, I'll grab a couple of bike meets, I'll go out on the bike after work a few nights. Brilliant, all hunky-dory. And then it was a Saturday morning. The dog woke me up around 7:15, and I thought, oh, I need a shit, so I'll go for a shit. Too much detail, I know. And I'll go back to my bed and get a nice long lie. So I was back in my bed by 5 to 7 or something like that. I was in a right deep sleep, as if I knew nobody was going to wake me up. Well, Don or Jack mostly, or the dog, because he'd been out already. And I heard boom 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 boom, bang 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 bang. And that way I remember hearing it while I was sleeping and just sort of ignoring it. Then the same again. I opened my eyes and I twigged, oh, it's the postie or somebody at the door. So I go down. The dog's not got his collar on, sadly, because we take it off at night. And I opened up the door very slightly to squeeze out to speak to the postman without the dog eating him. And the dog squeezed past me, and he was just about to munchy on the postie's bare leg. Posties in their shorts. Don't know what that's all about. And I jumped from the third step, the top step of my doorstep, which is 3 steps high, onto my left side, rugby tackling the dog, preventing them getting to the postman. And I was wearing my pyjamas at the time, long sleeved and trousers, not shorts and t-shirt. It's summer everywhere else, but not in Scotland it seems. Although it's 16 degrees today, but it's still a bit fresh. It's a fresh wind. So I got the parcel off the postie, which turned out to be a fuel filter housing for my van and work. And I hobbled back in, and the postie's like, "Are you alright, mate? Are you alright?" And I'm like, "Aye, mate, I'm fine." I just laughed it off. And I'm back in, and I'm sort of all tensed up, like cuddling myself. And I could feel right away a sore foot. I was barefooted at the time, and the way I jumped, I must have slashed the sole of my right foot. I'll put a lovely picture up here. Lovely. I must have slashed that on the vertical edge at the side of the doorstep. It's the only sharp thing in the area I could think of that I must have hit. So I scuffed my hand, my left hand, my left elbow, left forearm, left side of my hip, left knee, the upper part of my left foot, and as I said, I slashed my right foot. That would have been my lunge foot probably. So who knows what's happened there. So I come back out on it. That's the main thing. So I'm just going to pull in here for a couple of photos of the bike. because I've not been down here. Well, I have been down here, but I've not stopped here yet. I was down here back in March with a few of the other Scottish motovloggers. It was a very popular video actually. I've got about 1600 likes or something like that on it. Oh, that'll do it. So I'm sure some of you will remember the reason why I got rid of my little GS, my little G310 GS, for this was solely down to me going to the ABR really, and I didn't fancy the journey on the 310. About 6 hours roughly on motorways, all the way down and all the way back. And there I'm not even going now on my bike. We're chickening out and we're going in a vehicle, a four-wheeler. So I'm looking forward to that. It's about 3 weeks away, I'm sure. So I shall share some footage of that while I'm there anyway. I'll definitely have my lid with me and all my gear and my GoPro. So I shall get some footage while I'm there, but hopefully I'm out again before then. Forgot to mention this.
Better days are coming, if no one told you. I hate to hear you crying over the phone, dear. For 7 years running, you've been a soldier. But better days are coming, better days are coming for you. So when the night feels like forever, I remember what you said to me. I know you've been hurting, waiting on a train that just won't come. The rain, it ain't permanent, and soon we'll be dancing in the sun. We'll be dancing in the sun, and we'll sing your song together. And we'll sing your song together. Never miss the flowers until the sun's down. We never count the hours until they're running out. You're on the other side of the storm now, you should be so proud. And better days are coming, better days are coming for you. So when the night feels like forever, I'll remember what you said to me. I know you've been hurting, waiting on a train that just won't come. The rain, it ain't permanent, and soon we'll be dancing in the sun. We'll be dancing in the sun, and we'll sing your song together. And and we'll sing our song together. Your story's gonna change, just wait for better days. You've seen too much of pain, now you don't even know that your story's gonna change. Just wait for better days. I promise you I won't let go. I know you've been hurting, waiting on a train that just won't come. The rain, it ain't permanent, and soon we'll be dancing in the sun. We'll be dancing in the sun. We'll sing your song together. And we'll sing your song together. And we'll sing your song together. And we'll sing your song together.
So here we are. I've come up this way, and down here the hill I usually go up is behind me, and the undiscovered is this way. So I'll jump back in the bike and head up there and see what's happening. Lovely day for it all the same. Beautiful. So I'm out testing out these Moto Wolf gloves today. So far so good. Lots of feel in them. And I was blasting down the motorway there, and all good. But I think these handguards certainly make a difference. This is the first bike I've ever had with handguards. In case there's any Land Rovers about, better check my shoulders. Oh, my new screen, I've got that on as well. Whoop whoop. And I've got the exact same whistle I had before with the previous one. I've got this turned on to Enduro, so I have, which I done just as I entered this road off the main road. Woo-hoo-hoo. And I must admit, when I first turned off the main road there, it did feel a bit sketchy. I could feel the weight difference instantly between this and the previous bike that was up here. Or not up here, but you know what I mean. So this is all new. I've never been down here or up here before. Down here meaning I'm down the Scottish borders, and Dumfries and Galloway. Nearly said Garroway there. And up meaning because I'm about maybe 400 or 500 feet above the road that I turned off, which I'm not sure the number of, but it's the Mennock Pass road. Oh ho, second gear, finally. Oh, excuse me. So that's a little windy, but it's 17 degrees now. You're not going to come up here and go mad anyway, really. I dare say some would. But when you've got a drop to my left here of the height, or the drop, of 400 or 500 feet, you don't want to take any chances. can see the road there. I'm not sure if the camera is just too low to see it. Oh, this is fabulous. It's pretty rocky here. So I'll leave you to this, folks. Cheers for watching, take care, and I'll continue this another time. Adios amigos, cheers.